Hello again, this is Krish Rudra from Trafalgar Square. I see behind me statue of a British person named Sir Henry Havelock. And it says in the bottom, this statue in memory of his bravery to suppress great movement in India, 1857. Its history sparks in my mind. If I am not wrong, 1857 was the great mutiny happened in India. 1857, the famous Sipai Vidraho started the province called Meerut in India. Indian soldiers revolted against this tyranny of the British oppression. And soldiers were forced to take beef when they take the sell out of their cartridge. So they refused to do so, and that is the big starting point for Meerut. Then it came down to New Delhi and all over the country. Indian military revolt in 1857, May 1857, I believe. And this dude, he suppressed that thing. He killed, suppressed, tortured many of the Indian soldiers there. And not only that, if I am not mistaken, my history, last time I read history in my 8th grade, that 1857, formerly the British government, British kingdom, they took over India as their colony. Before that, it was actually in hands of East India Company, a British company, the ruling unofficially. In 1857, May, after the revolt, British Empire officially they took over India as their colony. This is the mark of their total control. Also, this is the mark of Indian independence. After this mutiny, peoples of India was aware. After the mutiny, all the soldiers, Indian soldiers working under British, they realized time has come for total freedom. Time has come to raise our voice, and that happened. And this mutiny, 1857, the beginning of our freedom fight against British rule, and the result was 1947, India got freedom from British rule. It's a long story, it just reminds me in my mind when I'm traveling to this Trafalgar Square. This statue should not be here. I see the one brave person wrote in the bottom, I don't agree with this. I salute to that unknown people. Indians should raise voice. Indians should report that this statue should not be in Trafalgar Square. When people torture other people, other countries, they should not be regarded as the home country hero. Home country hero. By the way, who I am to talk these things. History are written all over the world by the ruling party, the powerful, the mighty, the wealthy, the controllers. They write the history. So history weeps alone when we see this type of statue standing Trafalgar Square in London. Krish Rudra from Trafalgar Square, London. Thank you.